Now let us start phi. In phi, in phi 20 exercises, 20 problems are there. Let us start phi. First, x square plus 1 upon 4x square plus 1 minus 7. Wait. Somebody is sending the request. X square plus 1 upon 4x square plus 1 minus 7x minus 7 upon 2x. So now we do the grouping. So x square plus 1 plus 1 upon 4x square we take together. Wait. Minus 7x minus 7 upon 2. एक मिनट. Now it is clear. No, it is becoming black because all of you are started shouting. X square plus 1. Wait. Now it is clear, board. Yes. Okay. X square plus 1 plus 1 upon 4x square. Now this x square, now plus 1, I can write 2 into x into 1 upon 2x. And 1 upon 4x square I can write 1 upon 2x whole square. 1 upon 4x square I can write 1 upon 2x whole square. Then from these two I will take 7 common, minus 7 common. Then it is x minus I have taken common. So inside bracket it will be plus 1 upon 2x. Minus 7x and minus 7 upon 2x. I will take minus 7 common. Then it is phi ka first. Phi is first problem. So x square, this one we have written x. This is square of x. All the formulas we are going to use a square, b square, a cube, b cube, then completing the quadratic. Yes, so this phi is based on all this a, b, c, d. So this one I have written 2 into x into 1 upon 2x. 2x get cancelled. What is left? 1 is left. And this is 1 upon 4x square, which is 1 upon 2x whole square. Minus 7 is common. Then it is x plus 1 upon 2x. Now this first three terms, I can write x plus 1 upon 2x whole square. X plus 1 upon 2x whole square. X plus 1 upon 2x whole square minus 7 into x plus 1 upon 2x. Now first three terms I can write x plus 1 upon 2x whole square. Now x plus 1 upon 2x. Yes. Yes. X plus 1 upon 2x I will take common. X plus 1 upon 2x I will take common. So from first what is left? It is square. So 1 x plus 1 upon 2x will be left. Then minus 7. And this is the answer. This is our final answer. Wait. Now it is clear. Right. X plus 1 upon 2x I will take common. So from first x plus 1 upon 2x x plus 1 upon 2x minus 7 x plus 1 upon 2x yes, some light focus is there at this, so I'm dictating this x plus 1 upon 2x minus 7. X plus 1 upon 2x minus 7. Directly. नहीं नहीं अभी क्लियर है. हाँ we'll see. Now second is हाँ night हाँ now it is clear. हाँ now it is clear. हाँ एक मिनट 9 हाँ x plus 1 upon 2x minus 7. X plus 1 upon 2x I have taken common. So x plus 1 upon 2x is left in the first part. In second minus 7 will be left. So x plus 1 upon 2x minus 7. Now second 9a square. Plus 1 upon 9a square. Minus 2 minus 12a plus 4 upon 3a. This I am giving homework. Same way. Yes. Same. Minus 2 you will write. Yes. Should I give second as homework? Let me give second. In the same way, you will write minus 2 as minus 2 into 3a into 1 upon 3a. Then 12a and 4 upon 3a, you will take 4 common. You will take 4 common, 12 and 4. 4 is common, then it is 3a minus 1 upon 3a. Let me write few steps if you want. Let me write few steps. So this I can write 9a square. Wait, let me write. Plus 2 plus 1 upon 9a. Wait. Minus 12a plus 4 upon 3a. So 9a square, I can write 3a whole square. Minus 2. So this is 9a square is 3a whole square. Then minus 2 I can write minus 2 into 3a into 1 upon 3a. 3a get cancelled. What is left? Minus 2. 1 upon 9a square I can write 1 upon 3a whole square. Then 12a and 4a I can take 4 common. Then it is 3a minus 1 upon 3a. 3a minus 1 upon 3a. So a square minus 2ab plus b square. Yes. 1 upon 3a whole square. Then minus 12a and plus 4 upon 3a. I will take minus 4 common. So it is 3a minus 1 upon 3a. 3a minus 1 upon 3a. 9a square. What you want to take common? Tell me. What you will take? No. 3a will be common. Where? In first two. First 3 terms you have to write as in the form of a plus b whole square. This is the answer. X plus 1 upon 2x into x plus 1 upon 2x minus 7. This is the answer of first. Now let us know how you can write today. No. Yes, because see, what is this 9a square is nothing but 3a whole square. And this 1 upon 9a square is nothing but 1 upon 3a whole square. So somewhere I had the role of 3a and 1 upon 3a. This is 3a square and this is 1 upon 3a square. 3a into 1 upon 3a get cancelled. What is left? Minus 2 is left. So minus 2 I will write in this form. 3a. Yes. Wait. Now it is clear. So this I can write. So complete. Let me complete. Further part I should give homework. You can do. Okay. So like. So this is 3a minus 1 upon 3a whole square. 3a minus 1 upon 3a whole square. Minus 4 into 3a minus 1 upon 3a. 3a minus 1 upon 3a. Now you take 3a minus 1 upon 3a common. 3a minus 1 upon 3. Yes. 3a minus 1 upon 3a. You will take common. 3a minus 1 upon 3a. You take. I am solving. So 3a minus 1 upon 3a. I will take common. So from first, it is left 3a minus 1 upon 3a because it is square. So 3a minus 1 upon 3a is left. Then it is minus 4. And this is the answer of second. Yes. Where 2 has gone? This one, this 2. Yes. See, this is of the form a square minus 2ab plus b square. A square minus 2ab plus b square is nothing but a minus b whole square. Last step is of the form a square minus 2ab plus b square. I can write, yes, I can write a minus b whole square. Now third, let's see whether you can solve this third or I should solve. X square plus a square plus 1 upon a wait into x plus 1. I should give homework. Okay. So right. Okay, right. X square plus, now see here, a plus b upon c, I can write a by c plus b by c. Bracket term, a plus b upon c, I can write a by c plus b by c. So a square plus 1 upon a, I can write a square by a plus 1 by a into x plus 1. So x square, now we simplify, a square by a is a plus 1 upon a into x plus 1. First we simplify this bracket. And now I will open this bracket. Now we open the bracket. X square plus, yes, now open the bracket. Third step, because a plus b upon c, I can write a by c plus b by c. So this is a square upon a plus 1 upon a. A square upon a, 1a get cancelled, no? A square means a into a, 1a get cancelled. What is left? A is left. Now, no. How you can multiply x square into x? Now you will multiply x. You will multiply x to each term of the bracket. Open the bracket. Open the bracket. No. How you can add x square? Cannot add x square because x square and x, they are different powers. So this I can write, this I will write x square plus, now open the bracket, a into x, ax plus, plus x upon a plus 1. Plus 1. Now I will do, how ax will come? X will be multiplied to the numerator. X will be multiplied to the numerator. In multiplication, numerator is multiplied to numerator and denominator is multiplied to denominator. Are you getting? A upon b into c upon d, we multiply numerator, a into c upon b into d. So x means it is x upon 1. X means it is x upon 1. So now we do the grouping. We take these two terms together and these two terms together. We do the grouping. And first two term, what is common? X is common. So what is left? X plus a. Now in x upon a plus 1, I will take 1 upon a common. Then what is left? Tell me. 1 upon a I have taken. Then what is left? From then no, not 1. No, not 1. X will be left here. Wait. If, 1 minute. If you are wait. See, if you are confused, if you are not understand, Wait. Let me write one more step if you want. For your understanding, let me write one more step. X square plus ax plus x upon a. Now 1 I can write a upon a. All of you agree? 1 I can write a upon a. The sum, yes, to make the denominator same, so that I can take 1 upon a common, no? So that I can take 1 upon a common. So yeah, now first 2 I will take x common, then what is left? X common, then x plus a plus 1 upon a common, x plus a. Because 1 I have to write a upon a, because yes, denominator of x is a, denominator of 1 is 1. So to make denominator, okay, array wait, x upon a plus 1, there is nothing common. So when I will simplify these two, I will make, what is denominator of x upon a? So I will take LCM of a and 1. LCM of a and 1 is a. So multiply and divide by a. So a upon a, I will write 1 as 1a upon a. Then I will take 1 upon a common. No. See, we are doing the grouping. No, grouping there are 4 terms. So first 2 I have taken common together, second 2 I have taken together. No. See, I am not. No. See, I am multiplying and dividing by a only. No. See, a 1 I have written a upon a. I have multiplied by a. I have divided by a. So equation is balanced. Similarly, in addition subtraction, okay. X plus a is common. Yes, what is correct? You can take LCM of a and 1. LCM of a and 1. You can write, take LCM of a and 1. So that 1 will be a upon a. Now x plus a is, wait, this 1 and x upon a you have to simplify. Denominator of x upon a is a, denominator of 1 is 1, so I will take LCM of a and 1, that is a. So to make denominator same, I will multiply and divide by a. So 1 I will write a upon a. Then I will take 1 upon, x is already there, no? X square plus ax, x square means x into x. What is common in x square and ax? X is common. So x plus a into x plus 1 upon a. And this is the final answer. Understood? Ask the doubt. Ask the doubt. Yes. So, see, those who are not understanding or finding little bit difficult to understand, that means they are not doing the homework. Because if we do the homework properly, we get used to the concept and there is clarity in this step. So you will find little bit difficult provided you are not doing the homework. So do the homework, 1 problem, 2 problem daily. That will give you practice. Always make a habit before going to. Yes. Ask. 20 sums are there in this 5. Now 4 x raised to 4. After factorization, linear equation will start. System of linear equation. Y raised to 4 minus 27 minus 27 x square y square. Wait. Why is, yes, Now you tell me, I should give homework? Because see this, wait. Then x raised to 4 minus 27 x square y square. I am just rewriting plus y raised to 4. I am just rewriting x raised to 4. I can write x square power raised to power, multiply the powers, then 27 x square y square plus y raised to 4. I can write y square. Now okay, wait. Now this x square minus 27 x square y square, I will write minus 2 x square y square plus y square and then minus 25 x square y square. Just see, minus 27 x square y square I have written minus 2 minus 25. Minus 27 x square y square I have written as minus 2 x square y square and minus 25 x square y square. Is it clear? Are you getting? Because see, this is my a square and this is my b square. In between a square and b square we want 2ab, no? In between a square and b square we want 2ab. So it is minus 27. Minus 27 I have written minus 2 x square y square. Then from minus 27 x square y square I have written minus 2. So what is left? Minus 25 is left. Minus 27 we can write minus 2 minus 25. Because in the middle we have AB term, no? At the end we have a square and b square, but in the middle we have AB term, 2ab term, no? Either plus 2ab or minus 2ab. So this is x square, this is y square. In between we want x square y square term. So minus 27 I have written minus 2 and minus 25. Now first three I will take together. This is my a and this is my b. So this is a square minus 2ab plus b square. Yes. What is that? A square minus yes, a square yes, x square minus y square whole square. A square minus 2ab plus b square. This is my 2ab. A square minus 2ab plus b square is a minus b whole square. Minus 25 x square y square, I can write 5 xy whole square. 25 I can write 5 square xy whole square, 5 xy whole square. Again, this is my c. No, this is my c, this is my d. Again I will c square minus d square. What is c square minus d square? C plus d into c minus d. Yes. C square minus d square is, I have just taken the different variables c and d. C square minus d square is c plus d into c minus d. That formula we use. So so this I can write c square minus d square. So this will be x square minus y square plus 5xy. C square minus d square is c plus d into c minus d. X square minus y square minus 5xy. Now this is the quadratic. We have to check whether it is further factorizable or not. This is x square plus 5x. Wait, x square plus wait into x square minus 5xy minus y square Is it clear? So we can check if you want. Find two number whose sum is plus 5 and multiplication. Wait. We have to check whether it is factorizable now. Multiplication minus 1. Find two number whose sum is minus 5 and multiplication is minus 1. So there is no such two numbers whose sum is plus 5 and multiplication is minus 1. Is it clear? So this is the answer. Yes, this is the answer. You cannot factorize further. Now, yes, even if you stop there, even if you, no, even if you stop there in the first step only, it is okay. No need of doing the arrangement. Which step? This step. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Minus 27 x square y square. I have written minus 2 x square y square. From minus 27 I have taken minus 2. So what is left? Minus 25 is left. So minus 25 x square y square I am writing. So that it becomes a square minus 2ab plus b square, which I can write a minus b whole square. Yes. Now let us take fifth. Now see here. Now fifth. Let me give the wait. Let me give exercise 5 and exercise 6. Exercise 5, exercise 6, exercise 7. Wait. Exercise 7 all are homework. Yes, this is the answer. No, it was plus 1. So that is why we have taken 2 into x into 1 upon 2x. No, it was plus 1. Wait. Now, no. In previous one it was plus 2. So it will be 2 into, it was plus 1. So it is 2 into x into 1 upon 2x. Now 8th one, 8, 9, 10, all are similar. So 8 I will do, then 9, 10th I am going to give homework. So 8, 2a minus 3 whole square. 8, 2a minus 3 whole square minus 2 into 2a minus 3 into a minus 1 wait plus a minus 1 whole wait see there is no question of grouping because see here wait wait let me take what you want 8th one I am solving 8th one exercise 5 8th one 8th one let x be 2a minus 3 2a minus 3 we consider x and we consider y as a minus 1 so just we rewrite this equation 2a minus 3 is x square minus 2 into this is x this is y 2xy plus y square what is x square minus 2xy plus y square yes x square minus 2xy yes x minus y whole square. Now we put the value of x and y. X is 2a minus 3 minus y a minus 1 whole square. So now we simplify, this is 2a minus 3 minus a plus 1 whole square. So 2a minus a is a, then minus 3 plus 1 is minus 2. So this is a minus 2 whole square. Are you getting? 2a minus 3, simplify. take the same term together, like term together. हाँ, a minus 2 whole square. 2a minus a is 2a minus, हाँ 2a minus a is a. 2a minus a is a. Then minus 3 plus 1 is minus 2. A minus 2 whole square, and this is the answer. Stop there. हाँ, but see here, 2a minus, हाँ, yes. हाँ, wait. 2a minus 3 is x, and a minus 1 I have taken y. So let us rewrite this. X square minus 2xy plus y square. X square minus 2xy plus y square is nothing but x minus y whole square. Now again we put the value of x. X is 2a minus 3 minus y is a minus 1. So 2a minus 3 minus a minus 1. Now inside I will open the bracket, minus sign is there. So 2a minus 3 minus a, and minus minus become plus. So 2a minus a is a, and minus 3 plus 1 is minus 2. So answer is a minus 2 whole square. Yes? Understood? 9. Let me explain 9. 9th 10th homework. A minus 2 whole square, and stop there. A square minus 3a, a square minus 3a plus 7 plus 10. So we just do one thing. Put x is equal to a square minus 3a. Put x, note the microphone. Put x is equal to a square minus 3a. So this becomes x. This becomes x into x plus 7. No, we have done similar problem. Now further you will do. Further I will give homework. Same problem we have done in file C. Let me do one. X into x. Let me solve. X square plus 7x plus 10. नहीं दे रहा हूँ. Now find two numbers whose sum is 7. Sum is 7 and multiplication is plus 10. Find two numbers. Find two numbers whose sum is 7 plus 7 and multiplication is plus 10. So plus 5 and plus 2. No, how minus? Plus 5 and plus 2. How you will take minus 2? Plus 5 and plus 2. When you will add, you will get plus 7. When you multiply, you will get plus 10. So this I will write x square plus 5x plus 2x plus 10. Now we do the grouping. Take two terms together, simplify. So x into x plus 5 plus 2 into x plus 5. Now x plus 5 is again common. That I will take. So it is x plus 5. X plus 5 into x plus 2. Here, now put the value of x. Put x is equal to a square minus 3a. So this becomes a square minus 3a plus 5 into a square minus 3a plus 2. Again this is the quadratic. Remember, don't stop there. Again this is the quadratic. So you have to check whether it is further factorizable or not. Find two number whose sum is minus 3, multiplication is plus 5. And there find two number whose sum is minus 3 and multiplication is plus 2. Yes, tell me. Now first one can you factorize? No. There is no two number whose sum is minus 3, multiplication is plus 5. But second one we can factorize. Yes, 2 and minus 1. A square minus 3a plus 5. First one we keep as it is. And second numbers are a square minus 2a minus a plus 2. Now we simplify. First one is not factorizable. First one is not factorizable. In second, I will do the grouping. First two term I will take together. The last two term I will take together and simplify. So that becomes a square minus 3a plus 5 into, in these two, a square and 2a, I will take common, then a minus 2, then minus I will take common, it is a minus 2, then a minus 2 is common, so it is a square minus 3a plus 5. What is common in them? A minus 2 is common, then what is left? A minus 1. Minus means minus 1, and this is the answer. Yeah, this is the answer. Now 10th one will, yes, we, bye. Yes, practice the problem. Bye. Bye everybody, bye. Take care. Bye. Chris, mute the microphone. There is no single case. Okay, now we stop. Anybody is writing? Now we stop here.